Today was the big day. The Fed made its decision on the interest rates for next year and for the taper, we're calling it. The Fed was buying $120 billion of investments each month. This says bonds, but my understanding, multiple articles I read said ETFs as well, exchange traded funds. We're going to drop down to $60 billion in January, and then it's going to taper $15 billion less each month that they'll be doing. So by May, they will not be buying anything, and they will quit propping up our precious rich white Republican neo-Nazi business owners. And they're predicting as many as 3 rate hikes coming in 2022. You could see Bitcoin and Ethereum reverse their price quite a bit. So why were Bitcoin and Ethereum and most things up? It had to do with something, some sort of reassurance they gave during their speech that, hey, if things get bad, we'll dial it back. But to me, I think the market has it wrong today because what they said was if the economy gets bad, the stock prices, Bitcoin price, that is not the economy. So today, for me, it was the best opportunity to even out my portfolio a little bit. Clearly, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but what I personally did was I took the opportunity to go a little bit heavier into stable coins. Just my personal opinion, the market had it wrong today. You got to remember, 80% of these investors also thought Trump was the best president ever, and they believe every word he says. Keep that in mind whenever you're doing anything in the market. To me, I think this will eventually send the stocks tumbling down, and that's not something the Fed really cares that much about. The stocks are not the economy. The economy is not the stocks. What they care about is people getting jobs, paying their bills and their taxes. And I like these charts. This isn't the only one that show money printing compared to the S&P in different charts. To me, this is 100% correlated to money printing. They're propping up this market like a dead old man. And I'll be surprised if by May the stock market hasn't had a major correction. I'm talking like 50% off. PE ratios here. I mean, what are we supposed to do? Just let the PE go to infinity? Because then it just means that those aren't even real investments. Actually, cryptocurrency would be a much more real investment if these just keep going up and up and up. I already don't trust the stock market whatsoever. They're a bunch of con artists using the shareholder money as their own personal piggy bank and do coups.